Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In every creator's mind, there's a story waiting to be told. But until now, turning ideas into video has been complex, expensive, and time-consuming. What if you could change that with a single platform? Introducing MagicLight AI, the all-in-one platform that transforms your imagination into cinematic reality, powered entirely by artificial intelligence. Whether you're a filmmaker with a big idea, a content creator building your brand, or a teacher turning lessons into engagement, the creative process can be overwhelming. MagicLight AI streamlines every part of the storytelling journey, from scripting, voiceovers, visuals, and editing, all in one intuitive dashboard. Let me show you how does it work. I will create an AI video with it. Simply hit on Create AI Video, and then simply choose the aspect ratio you want for your video. Then simply choose the language for your video. Next, choose the visual style: animated, realistic, cinematic, or epic, etc. MagicLight creates stunning visuals frame by frame, with no actors, cameras, or studios needed. MagicLight AI offers two different types of script options for you: Smart Script and Basic Script. Start with a simple idea or prompt. MagicLight's advanced language model instantly transforms it into a professional-grade script, complete with scenes, dialogue, and narrative flow. Or if you have your own script, you can use that as well. Or you can use ChatGPT for it as well to write for you a script. Then simply copy the script and paste it into the MagicLight AI script option. Then simply choose the length of the video and hit Next. For the best results, make sure the style of the video is matching with your script. Now MagicLight AI will analyze your story. Once it will done, simply hit Next. In the next step, you need to choose the character of your video. You can use Auto Cast option. Then MagicLight AI will cast the character itself. But if you want to select the character self, you can edit them as well. You can customize their voice, their gender, and their age as well. If you are not satisfied with MagicLight AI characters, then it also have an option where you can create your own character as well. Once you are done with characters, now simply hit Next, then MagicLight AI will start generating the storyboard. Once the storyboards are generated, now you can check them, and if you still want to do some changes with them, you can still edit them as well. Once you're done with that, then hit Next. Now if you want to give your video more power, then simply hit Animate All to enhance your video. If you don't want to animate your video, simply hit Next. MagicLight AI offers for different types of animation options, so choose the one you like it, and then hit Confirm. Once the animation is added to your storyboards, now if you still want to do some changes, you can still edit them as well. Once you are satisfied with it, then hit Next. Now we are at the last stage. Here you can choose the cover settings for your video. You can select the subtitles settings, and you can even select the background music as well for your video. Once you are done with these settings, then simply hit Generate. And that's it. MagicLight Smart Editor finished the cut for you. You can export your video in HD or 4K, ready for YouTube, TikTok, client presentations, or film festivals. And that's MagicLight AI, a complete creative studio powered by artificial intelligence. If you want to try it out for yourself, I've dropped the link down in the description. Just click it and see what you can create. MagicLight offers different monthly and yearly plans, so you can choose what fits your needs, whether you're experimenting or going all in. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and enjoy the power of MagicLight AI. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you try MagicLight, let me know what you create in the comments below. I'd love to see it. See you in the next video, and until then, keep creating.